Hey everyone, welcome to the trading floor's 25 days of Tradesmas. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can win $1,000.
Morning guys. So as you can see here, I'm already in a trade. Sorry for being late. Let me show you what I have going on here. The opening balance, the opening candle at the 9:30, 7:30 my time, was a pretty strong red bearish candle with a fractal frenzy signal. So I jumped into that right in here, which is just about 7:35, a little after 7:35, and so far it's been running pretty good. I'm about ready to move this to break even. So that's what I saw when I got to the chart. I saw all this cluster up here, this ranging. Here's my Asia range, and then we have the London range here, which I only really look at just to see structure, you know, is it going to be expansion day or, you know, something like that. So, and then I got my A toolkit on there. So moving pretty good. So it's already broken the upper DR of the previous days. Tokyo. I'm really looking forward to get down here, and I'm going to move stop loss into profit. That is going to be a free trade, winning trade for me today. It's a good way to start out the morning, the day before Thanksgiving. I'll keep you posted. I'll come back and let you know where we're at. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to close this out with that profit. I'm not going to give this all back. Happy with that. Just looking to see if this candle was going to cover that wick. I'm out. Now it's the day before Thanksgiving. I don't want to give that nice little chunk of money back, so we're going to call it a day and end it here. That was quick. You guys have a great day. Take care.
Thanks for sticking around to the end. To be eligible for the free $1,000 giveaway, you just have to be able to receive a PayPal payment. To enter, like and comment below and come back tomorrow for another video and another chance to enter.